How to log into your Destiny card account online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about how you can easily log into your Destiny card account online. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and just search in for Destiny card login, just like this, and you just have to click on this first link, that is destinycard.com. So as you can see, I couldn't access that particular website for some reason, and so I'll just show you from my example over here. So once you are successfully inside the website, you just have to click on this my account button over here, and once you click on it, you will be redirected to this page where you'll have to provide your username and password and make sure they are correct, and just click on login. If you forget your username or password, in case that, just tap on this button over here, this blue light, and you may easily re-enter or re-log in to your account after resetting your password or username. And if you haven't registered yet, you can just register it from over here as well. So once you provide the correct details, you can easily log in and you should be successfully logged into your Destiny card account. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.